Morning student, today we will do the construction of your exercise 10.4. So the first question of your exercise that we need to construct a triangle ABC, okay, a triangle in which your angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 30 degree and the line segment is 5.8 centimeter. So first what we will do, first we will draw a line segment, that is your AB 5.8 centimeter. So from AB, so we get the line of AB. So from this we will draw angle A. Angle A is your 60 degree. So we have drawn the angle A 60 degree with the help of protractor. And angle B means 30. Angle B is your 30 degree. So from this point we will construct the angle 30 degree. Okay, so when they will, so line of angle AY and BX will intersect at a point of C. So we will, that intersecting point is C. So from there we will meet, we will joint A to C and B to C. So after that we will get ABC angle. Okay, so I hope you understand the construction of this triangles. So the next question of your exercise is, what we have to do, we need to draw a triangle PQR in which your line is PQ has given to 5 centimeter and Q angle PQR means middle wala, Q is given, Q value is 105 degree and R value is 40 degree. So what we need to, suppose that what they have given us the line segment of PQ. So means we need to draw an angle P and angle Q, but they have given the value of R and Q. So means we need to find the value of P की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज हमको P से ड्रॉ करना है एंगल. सो एज वी नो डैट, सो वी विल यूज द एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स द एंगल्स सम ऑफ द थ्री एंगल्स विल बी 180 degree. So in which Q has given to us, R has value given to us, so we need to find the value of P. So angle P's value is 35 degree. Now we get the value of angle P. So we will draw the construction. Okay, suppose that line segment is 5 centimeter. So it is your 5 centimeter line. Okay, so from here, from this point we will draw a line, triangle of P triangle value is 35 degree which we have drawn. Okay, जो हमने निकाली है 35 degree and from here Q has given to हमें 105, Q की value 105. Again they will intersect at a point of R. So we will we will joint P to R and Q to R. So this is your supposed angle PQR. Okay, this is the, and the last question of this exercise is, we need to draw our angle DEF in which angle E equals to 10 degree, 110 degree, angle F has given to 80 degree. And now we need to what we will do, first we will check that this angle is possible or not, because as we know that the triangle, the sum of the three triangles, the sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 and these two sum is 190. इनका दोनों का sum ही 190 आ रहा है. So let's check the value. Angle D, angle E and angle F equals to 180. Angle D's value, angle E value is 180 degree, angle F is 80 degree, and we need to find the D. So D's value is come in negative, which is not possible. Negative value कभी भी angles की नहीं होगी. So this triangle is not possible, क्योंकि total the sum of three angles is 180 degree and in this question two angles sum is more than 180. दो angles का sum ही 180 degree से ज़्यादा है. So this triangle is not possible. Okay, so I hope you understand the construction of these three questions. Thank you.